found this yellow McCULLOCH case at the dump down south of here where Valerie's ma lives. There's a choose to reuse there all summer long, and people bring all their stuff in and get rid of it to be reused by other people or whatever. And this case was sitting there, so I grabbed it. It was empty, but I was finally able to fill it, and what I filled it with I got given to me for free. This little McCULLOCH 14-inch 2.0 cubic inch, not exactly sure the model. Either way, it says it's been factory reconditioned, and the model of it would have been there, so I would imagine it'd be like a Pro Max 6 or something like that. I'm not positive. But yeah, I didn't have to do anything to this saw at all. I just put gas in it and it fired up and runs good. So I'm gonna go put it through a piece of elm for you guys to watch. Blipping you here or there, that's me letting go of throttle because I gotta push on this little oiler lever here, and kind of this has got a goofy throttle lock on it here. You gotta pull that guy and push that, and it's just kind of cumbersome. If you could see that, it gets screwed up. I think it's just a bad setup to begin with, but I can understand why they did it. But I'll run it through again.